Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to redeem Roblox gift code. I wonder why you want to know how to redeem Roblox gift code. Maybe because you have bought a Roblox card and you don't know how to redeem its code. You have got one and now you are figuring out how you can redeem it to get Robux from it. Or there could be any other reason for you to know how to redeem Roblox gift code. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can redeem a Roblox gift code. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Other thing that have to make sure that you have already purchased a Roblox card. Either it could be a physical card or virtual card, it doesn't matter, but you should have one. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. It will just take a while to load, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top you could see we have three options. If you tap onto the middle one, you will be able to see different options through which you can get Robux, but we don't have any option through which you can redeem the Roblox gift code. Therefore you have to get back and open a browser. You can go with any browser of your choice. Here I'm going with a Google Chrome, but you can choose whatever you use the most. Once the browser gets open, on the search bar you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same link as I have described, otherwise you will go on the wrong website. So once you tap onto that link, you will end up onto this web. Here you could see the icons of the Roblox, and here you could see this option which says redeem card. So redeem card also means redeeming its code. Once you get there, first you will read this option which says redeem Roblox code, and under it we have an option where you have to add the code. So if you have a physical card, then on the back side of it you have to scratch the card and you will find a code that you have to type it here. But if you have a virtual card, then you have to copy the code and paste that code here. Once you paste that code, just scroll down and click onto this redeem option. Now it will just take a while to redeem the code, and once it's done, the Robux against that card will be sent to your account. Now close it and open the app. Once you open the app, there you will see that you have received the Robux. Now you can spend them and can check how much you have got by tapping onto this icon. At the top you could see you have received one. Maybe you have different numbering to it based on how many Robux you have received. Now you can spend those Robux and can enjoy different things purchased from your gift card. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can redeem Roblox gift code. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.